Hey guys, this is how to use Etoro to buy a Bitcoin. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you a full detailed one and a step-by-step guide. So guys, I made this table over here for a complete guide on how to do this. First thing that you need to know guys, eToro allows you to invest in major cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano without hidden fees. The tip that I could give to you guys is just simply use a demo account to practice trading before using real funds. So first one is just simply create an account in the eToro, and after that, once you have created your account, just simply go for the navigation bar guys and just simply click on deposit funds. And after that, just simply go ahead and select your preferred fiat currency. And from there, guys, just make sure you have an payment details added into your account in order for you to complete this transaction. And after that, guys, just simply click on deposit. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the Bitcoin page and click on invest. And after that, guys, you will have two options. Choose trade to buy at the current price or just simply order to buy when the price reaches a set level. And the last step that we have is just simply download the eToro Money crypto wallet. This is for added security, and you can there transfer your Bitcoin to your wallet. You can just simply go ahead and click on portfolio position and just simply select transfer to wallet. And guys, remember that wallets can only be opened as the part of the coin transfer process. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out, and if you do, just simply comment down below, and thanks for watching.